big, bright, and spacious. Every detail of this home has been updated by original owners who thought they would stay here forever, which means every detail has been done right. New hardwood floors and tile floors, kitchen and baths have been updated, and the home has brand new Renewal by Andersen windows throughout. Two large bedrooms on the main level, each with a private bath. The upper level features a third bedroom, private bath, and a loft, the perfect place for your office or play space. Live maintenance-free in this coveted community that offers a clubhouse and a pool. Zero maintenance homes like this rarely hit the market. Call me today for your private tour.